Hey, I'm James Wolf, and I've got the Boo Hugger curved Asahi bench here, and the instructions and tools that it comes with, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. So the first thing you do is you lift the legs up and adjust this brace. There's going to be a hole and a place where it goes in. You lift the leg up. Sometimes you need to work it back and forth and align it, and we're going to put a screw in here and a screw in here. The two screws are in the bag, which I'll open up, and there's also a Allen key in there. This is all you need, is just these two screws. So one goes through the brace like that and into the hole. I'll twist it by hand. The other one goes through this hole in the brace and into the hole, and then I'll just tighten them up with this. That's all there is to do. You can cut now. We'll do close up. Okay, now cut. So that's that. The two screws are in, and the bench is ready to be used.